Hello friends, today I am going to prepare a very spicy recipe, ghee karam dosa. This is the Andhra style recipe. We are going to prepare a spicy masala for this. I have soaked 4 red chilies in water. I have added that to a mixer jar. Add 1 large size onion roughly chopped. Add 1 chopped tomato. You can use tamarind instead of tomato. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add required amount of salt. Now blend it very well. Now in a kadai add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds oil, that is gingerly oil. I am using cold pressed gingerly oil. Add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Now add the blended masala. Saute for a while. Add quarter cup of water. Now cook until raspberry is gone and it becomes slightly thick. Now it has become thick. Drizzle few drops of vegetable oil on the top. Mix it well. Now I am going to prepare the dosa. Smear oil on the tawa and pour ladle of dosa batter and spread it. Spread it slightly thin. Cover it with a lid and cook so that top portion of the dosa would cook uniformly. Now the upper part has become dry. Smear the masala paste on the top. Drizzle ghee. Now flip it and cook for 2 minutes. Our ghee karam dosa is ready.